Hi guys, we are in the next session. In this session, let's talk about slots, polygon, fillets, and chamfers. Other create orders are slots and polygon. We use this order more or less than others, but it's our duty to introduce to you. We go to the rectangle branch, and the first one is a slot center to center. Okay, we choose it. Center here and other center here, and 1 point on circumference. Okay, again we can give dimension. Center to center, it's 40, and we can give it 50, and diameter is about 9, we can give it 13 or 14, 13. Okay, this one, the first one was this is slot center to center. The next one is a slot overall. We choose it, and we can have dimension by 3 points, 2 points. On circle's arc, you can see the point, you can see the line, arc to arc, and again the next point on circumference. And also you can give dimension again, diameter, and this line. You can also have curved slot by using these two orders: a slot 3-point arc and center point arc. We use 3-point arc, again 2 points on curved center to center, you can see its center, and 1 point on circumference. Okay, also you can see we can give dimension by two solutions. One is that we use a smaller arc, 25 for example, and bigger arc, 35. Now it's fixed. Or we can again use this order, and giving one dimension between these two arcs. You can see again it's fixed. And the last create order is polygon. This order is also in rectangle branch. We can see three varied geometric shapes in one branch: rectangles, slots, and polygon. We choose polygon, and here we can have number of sides. We see here number of sides, for example 6, and two ways for drawing polygon. One of them give us polygon, the point on vertex, okay, and other give us polygon, the point at the center of this trick. Okay, click here. Okay, if we give off dimension to one district, for example 45, it will be applied for all districts. We can check 45, this one, and it's again 45. Okay, finally we arrive to important orders: fillets and chamfers. Fillet is a kind of arc generally we draw between two districts. For example, in this polygon we want fillet sharp edges. We choose fillet. Here is 2 millimeters. We determine radius 10 millimeters. Okay, and now click this district and other. Okay, now we don't have sharp edge, we have fillet. Radius is 10 millimeters. Also, we can change it. It's 10, give it 15. Okay. Chamfer is also between districts. At first, let's draw a rectangle. We draw a rectangle here. Okay. Now choose chamfer. We have three ways to having a chamfer. First one, it's similar distance. Here is 5 millimeters. If we choose this side and this side, we can see chamfer. Chamfer separate 5 millimeters from this side and 5 millimeters from this side and connect them. Second one is to vary distance. For example, in other vertex, we determine 7 millimeters from this side and 10 millimeters from this side. When we choose them, chamfer is like this: 7 millimeters from here and 10 millimeters from here. And the last one is chamfer with distance and angle. For example, we give 10 millimeters for this side and angle 60 degree. We choose them now. It have separate 10 millimeters from this side and 60 degree from this line, and now connect them. Okay, it's chamfer. It's very important order. Finally, we finish a sketch and create branch. Next branch is modify, move, copy, rotate, and etc. And our education will be more specific, so just subscribe us for better education and turn on the notification for the next video. Like and comment our videos, share our channel to your friends. See you in next session. Help us, stay with us.